Let's jump over, please, to the ACM Service Console. In the ACM Service Console, click the Request a Certificate button. Because we're going to be using this certificate with an internet-facing load balancer, we need this to be a public certificate. So we're going to request a public certificate. Click Next. Next, it asks us what domain names we want the certificate for. Now, what I like to do here is put the domain name all by itself, coastalcarolinanetworks.com, and then I click Add Another Name to this certificate. And to make this easy, I'm going to go ahead and copy this to my clipboard, and I'm going to do star.coastalcarolinanetworks.com. Okay, why am I doing this? Well, let's say that I want this certificate to be valid for www.coastalcarolinanetworks.com. That asterisk is going to make this a wildcard certificate. So it's going to be valid for any subdomain like www. Without the wildcard, the TLS certificate would be valid only for coastalcarolinanetworks.com and nothing else. So this is just going to give me some flexibility in how I use the certificate. And by the way, if you have multiple different domain names you want to use, you can specify those as well. But the same rule applies. You have to control the DNS records for any domains you add to the certificate. Now, if I scroll down a little bit, it asks us to select a validation method, DNS or email validation. I always do DNS validation because it's a little more foolproof than email validation because emails can get caught in spam filters and whatnot. So we'll stick with DNS validation, scroll down a little bit, and click Request. Now, you may have to wait a few seconds and hit refresh several times, but the certificate status should change to Issued. Because I'm using Route 53, it automatically created the validation records for me. Once ACM validates the domain, it issues the certificate.